What's up guys, it's Andrew. I'm here with 765 Disc Review. Today I've got the Streamline range. So the range is being compared to the Berg quite a bit because it's a putter that features a thumb track. I'm going to try to make this hopefully as quick as possible. So I can get a little long-winded for certain. So it is a putter. The numbers are 2 for speed, 1 for glide, negative 0.5 for turn, and 0.5 for fade. So overall, in my experience, here's kind of the good. So it definitely feels better in the hand than the Berg. It's a little bit shallower. The thumb track as well is also a little bit shallower too. So it's definitely still there, but it's not really as severe as the Berg. So as far as the numbers go, I mostly agree with them, except for the glide I feel like was pretty far off. The glide I would say is more of like a 4, maybe even a 5 on this. It's a very glidey disc, especially if you're comparing it to the Berg. As far as kind of weaknesses go, for me, this disc did not handle forehand throws with any sort of power really at all very well. Just kind of flip up and then turn and burn on over. And it doesn't help that it's, with it being a putter, it's a little bit harder to get a clean release out of because it was very unforgiving if I didn't get a clean release as well. So backhands here, this is an awesome disc, especially if the Berg is too straight for you. Too overstable for you. This is a really great option here. Then the thing that surprised me the most here, this is actually, I think, a really great putter. So I would normally never think to do that, but I did a one disc round with this, which kind of forced me to use it as a putting putter, and it was actually really incredible. It's really straight. It's got a decent amount of glide, so if your release point is on, it's going to find its way into the basket. So I was really surprised with that. All things considered, like I said, I think backhand throwers, you might like this disc, but I don't think that you're gonna find it in the same spot as you would imagine, right? So I think a lot of people are trying this imagining that it could be a Berg replacement. I don't actually think that's what this is. I think this is an incredible throwing putter, but I think it's got a little too much glide, in all honesty, to really replace the Berg. So this disc, when I first started my round, I think about 3 holes in, I was like, great, I know I'm not bagging this. Let's shoot these videos and move on, right? But the longer I threw it, the more I really actually think that this could replace my Streamline Pilot. So my Pilot, for those of you who aren't super familiar with it, it is a relatively straight putting, I shouldn't say putting, but relatively straight putter. Some people use it for putting. I use it for throwing and longer approaches. So I think this might actually replace it because it is very forgiving, I think. For people, especially like me, who don't have strong backhands, I think this is an incredibly awesome and straight disc. So I really think that I might end up bagging it, but it'll end up replacing my Pilot as opposed to the Berg or Berg X that I thought it might be replacing. So nonetheless here, definitely worth checking out, especially at only like 12 bucks there. It's one of the cheaper premium discs that you can get for certain. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the throws. Let me know in the comments if you got any questions. Appreciate it.